Now we get to that part in our show where we get our Peter, Paul, and Mary on. Peter, Phil, and Lizzie. See, some people like that joke.
Philip, it's such a good joke.
I believe him. You ready?
I'm ready.
And one, two. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow